Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, Chambers County Probate Court come to order. First on the docket is 23 CPR 0042. Thank you. Whoever's going to testify, if you'll raise your right hand. Robin, if you'll go ahead and swear him in, please.
You're going to get a hold, get them to stack in here. I've got 4 witnesses this morning, so we'll get them all in there.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Everyone get your right hand up.
Robin, you're mute. We can't hear you, Robin. You must be muted. It doesn't show you're muted.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, we can hear you now. All right. Raise your right hand again, please.
Do each of you swear or affirm the information you give before the court today will be the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. All right, Counselor, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. First witness I call is Hunter Blystone. State your name for the court.
Hunter Blystone?
And you were the son of the decedent, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And I'm showing you the document that's been filed with the court dated April 1st of 2019 that purports to be your mom's last will and testament. Do you recognize this as being your mom's signature?
Yes, sir.
And you were also one of the subscribing witnesses to the will, weren't you?
Yes, sir.
At the time your mom signed this will, was she over the age of 18?
Yes, sir.
Was she of sound mind?
Yes, sir.
And was she under any compulsion? Was she being coerced or forced to sign this will?
No, sir.
And you don't take under this will, do you?
No, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, I pass this witness.
No questions. Call your next witness.
Okay, I'm going to call Brianna Lynn Jordan.
Morning.
And Brianna's going to be testifying to prove up the handwriting of the decedent. State your name for the court, please.
Brianna Jordan.
And I'll ask you similar questions. Do you recognize the document that's been, do you recognize the signature on the document that has been submitted to the court as the last will and testament of Lydia Blystone?
Yes, sir.
And this document was dated April 1st, 2019. And on that date, was she over the age of 18?
Yes, sir.
Was she of sound mind?
Yes, sir.
And you don't take under this will, do you?
No, sir.
And at the time, no, that's it. I passed this witness, Your Honor.
Okay, no
I've got
questions.
one more.
Call your next.
I've got one more. As to the handwriting of the decedent. State your name for the court.
My name's Sean Bounds.
And Sean, you too were familiar with the decedent, Lydia Blystone, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And you were familiar with her handwriting?
Yes, sir.
And I'm showing you the document that's been filed with the court, which purports to be her last will and testament. Do you recognize this as being Lydia's signature?
Yes, sir.
And on April 1st of 2019, was she over the age of 18?
Yes, sir.
And was she of sound mind?
Yes, sir.
And you don't take anything under this will, do you?
No, sir.
Your Honor, I pass this witness.
No questions.
Right. Okay, Your Honor, I call the applicant, Bruce Rodney Blystone. State your name for the court.
Bruce Rodney Blystone.
And your wife was Lydia Velarde Blystone, is that right?
Yes, sir.
She passed on April 24th of 2019 in Beach City, Chambers County, Texas, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And 4 years had not elapsed. At the time we filed this with the court, 4 years had not elapsed from the date of her death, had it?
Correct. Yes, sir.
And this court has jurisdiction in venue in that she had a fixed place of residence in Chambers County at the time of her death, didn't she?
Yes, sir.
And we're here today asking that this will be admitted as what's called a muniment of title only for purposes of transferring title to real property. So there's no need for an administration, is there?
No, sir.
And your wife didn't apply for or receive any Medicaid benefits on or after March 1st of 2005, did she?
No, sir.
And you recognize the document that has been filed with the court. You recognize that as your wife's signature?
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
And she was of sound mind?
Yes,
And
sir.
she was over the age of 18?
Yes, sir.
And there were no children born to or adopted by your wife after the date the will was made, were there?
No, sir.
And there were no marriages dissolved after the date the will was made, were there?
No, sir.
And neither the state, a governmental agency, or charitable organization is named in this will as a devisee, are they?
No, sir.
And you've investigated her affairs and there are no outstanding debts owed by her estate.
There
are
are not.
Your Honor, we're asking that this will be admitted to probate as a mutament of title only.
So done. Thank you, Counselor. Folks,
Your
have a
Honor,
good
have an
day.
awesome day. Yes, sir. May we be excused?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Maybe. Thank you. All right, cause number 55, the state of Offie land.
That's
Morning.
us.
Did we swear you in a while ago?
No, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please.
Do each of you swear or affirm the information you give before the court today will be the truth?
Yes, I do.
And you may proceed, Counselor.
Your Honor, I just, one thing I wanted to bring up before we proceeded, I just found out this morning, Mary Cynthia land is actually Mary Cynthia Wilson land. And so we're ready to proceed, but I would need to probably amend the order to add the Wilson hyphen in there. If the court would like to do that, or we could refile the application if the court wants.
I can do that. So it's Mary Cynthia land.
Wilson.
Wilson, yeah, sorry.
Yeah. Wilson land.
It's a Monday. Kind of. Okay. All right, you may proceed, Counselor.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is William Engelhoff. I'm the witness on the will, the last for Opie Land Jr. Land for a long time. He was my uncle. I was present when he signed the will. I was also present with Horace Jackson, the other witness on the will. Horace Jackson and myself were both over 14 years of age, and we were in the presence of land over 18 years of age and of sound mind. He requested that we sign the will in his presence on August 11th, 2019, which we all did. That's all. That's the only testimony I have, Your Honor.
All right, call your witness.
All right, we'll call Mary. Could you state your name for the judge?
My name is Mary Cynthia Wilson,
Okay. And how are you related to Opie Land Jr.?
my husband.
Okay. And he passed away on or about October 26, 2022 in Bellevue, Chambers County, Texas.
Yes,
73 years old, resided here in Chambers County, Texas when he passed.
yes,
Okay. Now we've submitted to the court a copy of the original of the last will and testament. Recognize this document?
yes, I do.
And you recognize his signature right here?
Yes, I do.
And that was signed on the 11th day of August 2019?
Yeah.
Okay. As acknowledged, did he ever revoke this will?
No,
Did he have any children born or adopted by him after the date of the will?
no,
Did he have a marriage dissolve after the date of the will?
no,
Has it been longer than 4 years since he passed away and we filed for probate?
no,
Okay. The state of Texas or any charity a devisee under the will, meaning they're going to get some.
no,
And the time of his passing, he owned property in excess of 5,000 out here in Chambers County.
yes,
Okay. And a necessity does exist for the administration of his estate, correct?
yes,
And the will appoints you, Mary Cynthia Land, who is also Mary Cynthia Wilson Land, correct, as independent executrix.
yes,
Any reason why you'd be disqualified from serving in that role?
no.
Judge, that's all we have on testimony. We asked that it be admitted into probate that Mary Cynthia Wilson Land be admitted as independent executrix without a bond or an appraisers be waived.
All right, hereby admits the will of probate and authorized letters. There's several places. Why don't you go ahead and send over an amended order, Counselor?
No problem at all. I'll send that to second.
It'd be a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we'll be
Mary, have a
excused.
good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.